Hey guys, it's Justin Buse, and I'm sorry I bought an F30. But anyways, we're on the way to mpact. We got Tom Cruise control on. We're going about 80 miles an hour. But yeah, you know, you better believe we're doing some jokes, some goofs. But yeah, there's really not much to say, and we're just driving, so it's like, I don't know. We'll catch you at the event. Wow. All 2,500 wheel horsepower. See that smoke in the air? Beautiful weather. Thanks, Canada. All right, so we kind of fucked ourselves this year. Last year we were in a perfect spot, somewhere over there. You could see the car perfectly, and it was in a prime location where everybody goes. This year, not so much at all. So we might be fucked, but we're gonna try it anyways. My idea was to make it look like my car was vandalized. So I'm gonna put on jack stands and then take the front wheels off. I've got some like washable graffiti. We'll see how it goes. Fun fact, if you saw my last video, or one of my last videos, we said that the wheels sounded like they were falling off. They literally were.
It sounds like it. It doesn't feel like it. It sounds like it.
The car had been sitting in my driveway for so long. I had been taking parts off of it. So when I put the wheels back on the ground, they were basically hand threaded. And then it sat for a few months, so I totally forgot. So yeah, we could have died. I was thinking about doing cinder blocks to go for the authentic look. I'm going for that real salvage title look. We don't want to lose these. All right. Ah, are the wires showing already? Not again. Ugh. This thing's got a lot of tread left on it. Quite a bit for my standards. Yes. What? Kind of. You'll see. We're gonna make it look like it's at a junkyard. Yeah. Funny. All right, guys, change of plans. We're doing a motor swap. What should I write? Slut or whore? Or like cheater. Is like slut and whore too offensive for this kind of thing? We out here tagging. Oh. Wow, this isn't working too well.
It'll work enough for what we can.
These things suck. Watch me spell it wrong too. Hey, don't tell the cops, guys. Don't tell the organizers. That's what I'm afraid of actually the most is like, yeah, them being like, what happened? Craig Beamer gets arrested. Dude, all these people are being way too loud. So, this is a piece of glass.
Broken.
That doesn't look real at all.
A little better.
And that's gone forever. I don't know if that looks real at all, but you get the joke. People are just like concerned. Confused. Look, did they just do this?
Damn, they fucking broke his window, stole his front tires, and moved.
Be so f***ing for right now. Tell me that's a joke.
That's not a joke.
No, no f***ing way. Not my car.
Somebody got jacked. They busted out his window, too.
I'm about to move my car.
Uh-oh.
At least it was a 328.
I think it's a joke, because that's not tempered glass. It's a setup. I think that's fence. fence in the school zone.
Can't park here. It's not supposed to park here. Can't park here.
I have no idea what happened.
No fucking way.
Like, if he cheated, there's no way she took his rim.
Yeah,
There's no
right.
way. Like, why is it here?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
You don't cheat on me. This is what's gonna happen to your car.
oh no way, they really did it. No, look, it's so fakely placed.
Oh, there is one.
No, but look, it's just dropped.
We always smash. All over the seat.
Oh yeah.
Probably done on purpose.
Funny for us.
There's glass all over the seat.
I didn't know there was a competition.
I don't know if it's real or not.
Damn, this car looks like shit. That's unfortunate. What the fuck happened to it?
Actually, this is the 328 when we came in here. It was perfectly fine.
Yeah,
I
dude.
remember seeing this shit.
It was a nice car, but my ex followed me here.
Oh, this is your car?
Yeah, yeah,
That's yours?
yeah.
Wait a minute. What the f? And nobody saw nothing?
I don't know. I don't think there's any cameras out here. Besides you.
But what about that? Where she put that trophy there?
Yeah, at least I won.
Now here we have a typical BMW on the back of a trailer. Look at all this plastic crap. It's all loaded up with all this plastic. Just gets old and cracks with age. How does he afford this?
Do you think insurance will cover this?
What happened here? What's going on?
My girlfriend, dude. Well, not anymore, but
Actually?
yeah,
No way. Really?
yeah. I mean, at least we won the competition, though.
There's a competition?
I guess. I didn't know there was, but
Oh wow.
But you're being dead ass?
yeah. Well, nah, I'm just joking. But I'm doing it for insurance fraud.
I didn't hear that last part.
I'm joking.
Man, insurance gave me 15K more than my car was worth, so that's all I'm gonna say.
Dude, I should be able to get a new freaking, I don't know, what, a 335 at least.
An M3, all the insurance.
I'm getting a 335 at least for this. Oh, I admit it, guys. I cheated in Call of Duty. You hear the exhaust on that Tesla? Hey, do you think insurance will cover it?
What?
Do you think insurance will cover it?
No, I don't know, man. I think you should take this on the track, though.
Yeah,
I think
dude.
it'll work good.
Yeah. Low key though, it's for insurance fraud.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Missed the wing and the grill.
Oh, dude. We had so much better spots last year.
Yeah, dude, what the f? This is where we park flag.
Let's just say hypothetically, not me, but if someone were committing insurance fraud, it probably would be a good idea to pretend that your ex or your angry significant other had vandalized your car. That would probably be good, hypothetically, a good idea for insurance fraud, because they wouldn't question it. Like, you wouldn't do it to yourself. Just a thought, you know. I'm not saying I would do that, but it was, you know, just kind of an idea that popped in my head. You know, like, that wouldn't be a bad idea if I were doing that, hypothetically. Heater. Hey, Peter.